Hey y'all, thank you for joining me at Trains Galore 400 only on YouTube. We got ourselves a train coming from Memphis going to Nashville on the Camden track. Let's check it out. Looks like to be like an intermodal train. Yep, it is an intermodal train. Perfect. Cargo ship containers and all. Here we go. Yep. Yeah, buddy, that's a good one there. That was a horn salute from the train crew. Honk, honk, honk. That's a train. Yep, they saw me. Yeah, they saw me. They're very friendly. Wow, look at that. Yeah, right in front of Tim. Right in front of my buddy's Tim's house. Alright, it looks like I lucked out today. I got myself a train. Wow, look at that. NASCAR. Got a lot of bear tables here. And there's the end of her, right there. There she goes. And then there she goes on down to Nashville. Thank you for watching up on my YouTube channel, Trains Galore 400. The train was a very friendly train crew. Gave me a toot of the horn. and it had some nice cargo on her. It's a bare tables at the end. There she goes, around the bend, coming from Memphis, going to Nashville, and she's gone. Thank you for watching. And then if you haven't already, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trains Galore 400. If you haven't already, give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, those are greatly appreciated. And thank you for enjoying my video. And thank you for watching. Peace out. Oh yeah. God bless.